Did you know that 78% of millennials and Gen Zers are all about cooking up a storm at home? Got you, right? Today, we're diving deep into the shadows of the culinary world with a sneak peek at the most undercover kitchen tech of 2024. So let's get started. Number 1. Food Printer. The Prime Pro's Cake Printer Bundle is the secret weapon of cake magic. This powerhouse printer's the real MVP in the cake world with wireless vibes and scan copy moves that'll blow your mind. But hold up, these prints are edible art, limited not by tech, but by legit concerns about food waste and keeping things real in the cake game. Who knew printing on cakes could be so forbidden? Number 2. Molecular Gastronomy Kit. Time to level up your kitchen game with the spherical caviar dispenser, your ticket to molecular magic. This kit's got all the goods for crafting epic caviar creations from honey to fruity delights. But it's low-key forbidden, because this molecular gastronomy wizardry walks the fine line between culinary art and, well, let's just say it's a whole new world of flavor, too adventurous for some taste buds. Additionally, it offers molecular-level food manipulation, which is restricted due to safety and complexity concerns. Number 3. Food Freshness Fridge Magnets. Transform your fridge into a food guardian with food freshness fridge magnets, the ultimate covert kitchen guardians. Imagine having a secret sauce to combat forgotten food. These QR-powered gems by Leo HBO and his team are the undercover heroes against food waste, ensuring no tasty treat goes MIA. It's the forbidden remedy for kitchen forgetfulness, your ticket to fresher, smarter eating. Number 4. Levitating Cocktail Glassware. The levitating cup revolution, where drinks defy gravity. This ain't your regular sipping vibe. It's a whole new experience that's kind of forbidden in the coolest way. It uses magnetic levitation for an otherworldly drinking experience, but it's limited due to its high cost and technology access. Imagine serving up your favorite cocktails, coffee, or even ice cream in a floating cup. It's like you're stepping into a sci-fi flick, but with your favorite drinks. Elevate your sipping game, literally. Number 5. Robotic Kitchen Assistant. The genius chef's futuristic sidekick, this AI-powered kitchen maestro flips the script on cooking by frying up everything from fries to nuggets, freeing up chefs for culinary wizardry. Flippy's secret sauce is a mix of smarts, sensors, and slick algorithms that bring precision to the fryer. It's the ultimate kitchen companion, cooking up a storm while humans focus on the gourmet. It performs complex cooking tasks autonomously and is restricted only due to job displacement fears. Number 6. Infrared Food Dehydrator. Your secret weapon for preserving flavor and nutrients, this semi-automatic marvel uses infrared and convection methods to gently dry fruits, veggies, meats, and more. With a stainless steel build, humidity control, and precision temperature settings, 20 to 100 degrees Celsius, it's a heat magician. Plus, it's dust-free, energy-efficient, and leaves your goodies bursting with vitamins and minerals. A powerhouse, but it's facing restrictions over energy consumption concerns. Number 7. Time-saving Quantum Cooker. The Quantum Air Fryer Oven is your ticket to turbocharged cooking. Say bye-bye to wait times because this beast air fries at warp speed. 47% faster. From crispy fries to a full 5 lb chicken in a blink, this oven's a game-changer with customizable controls. It's the Swiss Army knife of cooking gadgets, and let's not forget the deluxe accessories. It's like having a culinary sidekick, facing restriction in some parts of the world due to energy consumption and cost. Okay, hold up. Before we dive back into the kitchen underworld, don't forget to hit that subscribe button faster than you can chop an onion. Number 8. Smart Herb Garden. Meet the serene life, smart indoor herb garden, your hassle-free kitchen garden. Grow veggies and herbs year-round with its soil-free, energy-efficient LED system. Customized growth stages with timer modes and adjustable brightness. No mess, no fuss. Just add water and let the LED sunlight do its magic for a fresh, vibrant harvest anytime. It's a self-contained system for growing herbs indoors, facing restrictions due to space requirements and maintenance. We've unveiled the forbidden, cooked up some controversy, and had a blast exploring the covert culinary world together. But the party doesn't stop here. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell because, guess what? The kitchen revolution never sleeps, and neither do we. Join the coolest Tech C, and let's keep this forbidden feast going. Stay hungry, stay curious, and until next time, keep it cooking.